superstars! Welcome to Happy Learning Land! Today we're nuts about the nice purple letter N.
N says nan. N says N. Can you say it with us?
N at the beginning. Narwhal. Newt. Wiggle.
N.
Nightingale. Sing. Nut. Crunch.
Let's write N. Straight line down, diagonal across, up again. Nice N. You can read Narwhal Newt, Nightingale Nut. Amazing job! Narwhal, bubble blow. And a newt, wiggle go. Say it with me. N. N-I-G-H-T-I-N-G-L-E, Nightingale, sing.
N, purple nice, so nice. Letter S. Yay!
Great job, superstars! You learned Narwhal, Newt, Nightingale, and Nut. See you next time for letter O.
Thank you for learning with us. Happy Learning Land. Goodbye for now.